Very happy morning, children. I hope you are doing well. Now, in this week, we are going to study some grammar. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Grammar. In grammar, we are going to see the basic one, that is parts of speech. What is parts of speech? It is just the name given to a word based on its job it does in a sentence. Look at the picture. Parts of speech. I have drawn a tree and there are 8 apples there. Each apple denotes each part of the speech. First apple is noun, second pronoun, third adjective, fourth verb, fifth adverb, sixth preposition, seventh conjunction, eighth interjection. These are all the 8 parts of speech. These parts of speech are very useful in our speaking and writing English language. Now, shall I explain each part of speech? Noun. Noun is a naming word. It is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, or idea. Example: Raja, teacher, Mumbai, school, elephant, basket, anger, and honesty. Next is pronoun. Pronoun is a word which replaces a noun. In other words, it is used instead of a noun. In order to avoid the repetition of a same noun, we use this. Example: I, we, you, they, he, she, it, my, us, his, her, your, them, mine, etc. The third one is adjective. Adjective is a word that gives an information about a noun, or in other words, it is a describing word. It describes a noun or pronoun. We used to say, how does the girl looks like? She is a beautiful girl. He is a tall boy, like that, no? Those words are called as adjectives. Example: beautiful, short, intelligent, fat, this, 5, 4, etc. Next one is verb. Have you heard of this verb, children? Yes. Verb is the most important part. Every sentence has a verb. It is an action word or state. Action words shows the physical activities, while state shows a situation. Example: play, run, eat, learn, sleep. These are action words. Am is, was, or, were. These are state of being words. Next, adverbs. Adverb is a word which modifies a verb or an adjective. They answer the questions where, when, how, etc. We used to say, how he runs fastly. How he writes neatly, like that. Those words are called as adverbs. Example: loudly, neatly, carefully, here, there, now, then, often, rarely, etc. Then prepositions. It shows a relationship in time, place, and position. for example, if I keep a ball on the table and ask you a question, where is the ball? It gives the answer, the ball is on the table. So on, that is the preposition which shows the relation between the place and the position. Example, in, on, under, near, at, between, among, etc. Conjunction. Conjunction. It is a word which connects or joins two words or two phrases or two sentences. We used to say bread and butter, cup and saucer, Hari and Meena, like that. Sometimes it joins two words or two phrases or two sentences. Example, and, but, so, because, et, etc. The last one is interjection. Interjections are words that have no meaning at all, but they show some sudden feeling or emotions. We used to say when we are going to fall or when we fell on somebody or something else, we used to say, oh, like that, no? Those words are called as interjection. Example, ouch, ah, oh, hooray, bravo, etc. Okay. Do you understand, children? But you are going to study in each one in detail in the coming classes. So these are the parts of speech. You have to know about these 8 parts of speech. We will study it later in brief. Can you write some examples for each part of speech? You try. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and I will clear it to you. Right. Thank you, children.